guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create account on Tinder. So first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store or Apple Store to install the app. So once it's installed, you click on open it up like this, and you're going to see continue with Google, continue with phone number, or with email. So you can choose whatsoever step you want to. So I'll be using the Google to continue, right? It makes it faster. So just pick on the Gmail you want to use and you wait for it to load up. So afterwards, you're going to see where you can actually set in your location, right? Click on allow for it to automatically click on your location. Afterwards, you're going to see where it says what to avoid someone you know on Tinder. You can click on continue as well for it to actually block all the contacts on your phone. And you can see the Tinder app is open. You have just created an account for it. You can choose to skip this part, and this is actually how Tinder actually looks. And you can just from there continue to use the app. If you don't like the person, you swipe to the left, but if you like the person, you can swipe to the right. So that's literally how to use Tinder and create an account on it. So the rest, you still have to go in more and edit your profile on Tinder. You have to add more photos and actually add a bio about yourself, prompt, interest, relationship goal, height, language, and more about yourself. So once you set this up, you're good to go on Tinder. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.